What's up guys, Tanner over at Eibach, and this is your weekly recap. Let's get into it. As you know, we just got back from Overland Expo West. We had an awesome time. Thanks to everybody who stopped by the booth and chatted us up for a bit. Of course, we'll see you next year. If you're interested in how that trip went, just check out our previous weekly recap. Up next, we took out the Polaris Xpedition for some R&D testing. Now, I love this machine. It's got full doors, a fully enclosed cabin, AC, just a ton of creature comforts. Now, like the rest of the UTVs, we'll have various stages depending on your build. So for example, if it's a mellow setup, you'll want to go with the stage 1, or you can go all the way up to a stage 4 if there's a ton of weight bolted on there. Be sure to sign up for our newsletter to get the most up-to-date info on all the stages of the Polaris Xpedition. Lastly, we brought in a Grenadier to start prototyping our HD springs. Now we'll have two different spring setups for you. One's going to be rated for about 500 pounds of additional weight in the rear, and the second set will be rated for about 1,000 pounds of additional weight. On top of that, we're also developing some shock options for the Grenadier, so keep an eye out for those in the near future. We also had a nice little company barbecue here to celebrate the Memorial Day holiday. Our CFO Christian was grilling up some fantastic brats. Per usual, be sure to like and subscribe, and for any other info, give us a call or visit eibach.com.